Good morning from the National Weather Service here in Pocatello. My name is Carter, and this is your Southeast Idaho weather hazard briefing for Wednesday, October 18th. Courtesy of high pressure shifting in overhead over the coming days, you're going to see some warm and dry weather continue each day through Saturday, with a pattern change on the way for early next week. I'll be breaking that down for you this morning. Key points from folks on today: warm and dry weather will prevail through Saturday. Got a ridge of high pressure shifting in from the Pacific. What that means is for us is well above normal temperatures continuing through Saturday with potential near record warmth, especially during those afternoon hours, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Pattern change will be on the way for early next week, so we're starting to see some precipitation work in later parts of Sunday. But then again, into early next week, temperatures will take a nosedive back into the 40s and 50s across the board for highs as we get those scattered precipitation chances continuing for next week. Take a look at those record daily highs here Thursday, Friday, and Saturday on the left. And here's our temperature forecast on the right. Those highlighted in red are where we're going to be within 3 degrees of the daily record. So particularly on Thursday, Pocatello, Rexburg, Stanley, and Chalice all standing within that 3-degree range. But you can see Stanley's within 3 degrees of the record both Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. So keep it with that trend, especially as we head into the later part of the week with very warm temperatures. Not so much as you get into the Magic Valley and Upper Snake Plain near records, but certainly at some of our climate sites over the coming days. You can see here Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, temperatures definitely starting to take a nosedive for the middle part of next week. Not a whole lot to see there on satellite this morning. Got a ridge of high pressure shifting in the Pacific. Outside of some lingering clouds this morning, we'll see mostly clear skies prevail. Again, just some passing clouds working up and over this ridge throughout the day. But as this ridge continues to shift east over the coming days, mostly sunny skies will continue. Bigger picture for you, so high pressure will continue to shift in from the Pacific. What that means for us is, again, warm and dry weather. Not a whole lot to talk about, but we're going to be keeping an eye on this area low pressure up here. This will take a couple days to finally swing into our area over the coming days, but heading into Thursday, Friday, Saturday, should be staying nice and warm and dry. Sunday starting to get some precipitation chances with some cooler weather arriving for next week. Weather risk outlook, we don't have anything to talk about through Saturday. Great weather to get outside, but we're just focused on that Sunday. Later part of the day, some showers and thunderstorm potential back in the forecast. Temperatures for today start off the day in the 30s and 40s. Coldest areas in the 20s, courtesy of that cold front that went through yesterday. But beyond that, we're going to see afternoon highs fairly comfortable, 60s and 70s across the board. And by Thursday, this looks like it's going to be one of those warmer days, especially when we're talking those near record temperatures, particularly up in central Idaho. But overall, starting off the day in the 30s and 40s for your Thursday, with afternoon highs, 60s and 70s, pushing near 80 in the Magic Valley. And by Friday, not a whole lot of change there. High pressure will keep things fairly consistent each and every day, 30s and 40s in the mornings, with afternoon highs, 60s and 70s. And take a look at those weekend high temperatures. We'll start to see slightly cooler temperatures heading into Saturday, but still hanging out of those 60s and 70s, and then continuing into Sunday. Get some little bit more cloud cover, precipitation chances working in, but a little bit more coverage of those 60s, less of those 70s for your Sunday afternoon. And look at what's to come. Again, that 6 to 10 day temperature outlook is highlighting the west here as far as Rocky Mountains and Pacific Northwest, especially sort of below normal favored, about 60% chances across northern Idaho. And as you head further south and east, around that 60% chance, 50 to 60% chance, but certainly some below normal favored temperatures heading into next week, which will be in sharp contrast to what we're seeing this week. And as far as precipitation goes, that big troughing pattern will support some above normal favored precipitation across much of the lower 48, so especially in the Rocky Mountains here. We'll be looking at those precipitation chances, especially Sunday through Thursday time frame. Keeping an eye on that for you heading into next week. And that's about all I have for you this morning. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, please feel free to send us an email, give us a call, or check out some information on our website. Have a great day.